Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Arshi's Gallery. Today I have come up with a video which is with a very important topic, that is how to teach before numbers. This is very important as well as a little bit tough for UKG and LKG students to identify the number which comes before. So generally in the books you will find that the before numbers, in some of the books you will find that before numbers are given in this format, in this form: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, written horizontally: 11 12 13 14, then 15 16 17 18 19 20, up to 20 I have written in this page. In the books also you will find, in some of the books you may find like this. So now the thing is how a child will learn how to teach the before number. If she doesn't know, if your child is not familiar with the concept of before numbers, and even if she knows, or if your child knows but cannot say it properly, in that situation how will you teach the concept of before number? For that I have come up with a technique, a very simple technique with which you can teach your child the before numbers. What I did with my child, before introducing the concept of before numbers with numbers, I introduced the same concept of before numbers with some shapes, objects, and different other alphabets. So what you have to teach your child, that before number is that number which comes to the left hand side. Once the concept of the side, left side means before number, is clear, you can go ahead and you teach the numbers which comes before. You can go ahead with the numbers. But until and unless the direction, the left hand side concept is clear, you please do not switch on to the numbers. Please pay attention in this activity sheet. What I did is, first of all, I have drawn some shapes which my child is familiar. My daughter is familiar with the shapes of the square, triangle, circle, cone, and rectangle shape. Now I ask her that what shape I have drawn before triangle. So she will first show me what comes before triangle, and she will show that it's a square, and then she will draw the square in this box. Again I have drawn here rectangle. I ask her that what shape I have drawn before rectangle. She will first show me, because once your child also, once she or he practices this left hand side drawing, it becomes continuous practice will make them their concept clear, that it is the left hand side number, immediate number, which is the before number or before shape or before alphabet, anything it could be. So then again, once this shape concept is clear, here with the shape concept, your child can also clear the concepts of regarding different shapes. Similarly, I have drawn some objects like umbrella, leaf, butterfly, lollipop, and similarly I asked my daughter that what I have drawn before leaf. She will first show me with a pencil, or maybe I ask her at times to use sketch pen, because I always keep these activity sheets in a transparent sheet, so that the same activity sheet I can use for a number of times. So I asked my daughter to show me what I have drawn before leaf. So she first draws with a pencil that it's an umbrella, and then she draws the umbrella here. Similarly, in case of this one, I asked her that what I have drawn before lollipop. She first shows me the direction, it is the left hand side. What I have drawn is butterfly, and then she draws a butterfly here. So actually my daughter's second language is Bengali, and she till now she has some doubts in some Bengali alphabets. So I have drawn some Bengali Bornos here, and I asked her that what comes before Shaurya. Then she shows me that it is Shauryo, and then she writes here. Again, in case of this one, it is Dirghui in Bengali. So what comes before Dirghui? See, she first draws that it is Hoshui, then again she writes here. So I have drawn different types of shapes and different types of bornos which I think that my child should practice, and with the regular practice of all this, on one hand she will learn the concept of before numbers, and at the same time she will learn the concept of shapes, she will learn the concept of fruits, vegetables and Bengali alphabets and all. Now you know your child better. You will find you can draw any objects or any numbers, or not number, you can draw any vegetables or fruits which you think that your child may find it difficult to understand or difficult to remember, so that you can practice regularly with this technique. So using these activities, using these different types of objects, bornos and shapes, once you see that your child is familiar with the concept of left hand side, which is the before number, then you can go ahead and you can introduce the concept of numbers. You will find that your child can now your child can do this before number concept very easily, because if you ask her what comes before 9, immediately she will take the pencil here and your child will draw that it is number 8 which comes before 9, because by the time she knows that before number means the left hand side number or left hand side object or left hand side fruits or vegetables, whatever it could be. So left hand side means it is the before number. So initially don't push your child to practice from 0 to 20. Initially just practice her 0 to 10. Once she is very familiar with the concept of 0 to 10, you can move on to the concept of 11 to 20. Slowly and steadily, it is the practice which can make a child perfect. So do not please push on your child to learn the numbers without any basic basic concepts. Always start with a basic concept regarding shapes and flowers and whatever she likes, whatever your child likes. So draw those pictures so that she can get the interest, and then you can move on to the numbers. So I hope this video is helpful for you. In the next video, I will show you how my daughter practices these activity sheets for before numbers. So please check on those videos, and if you find anything to say, please mention it in the comment section. Thank you very much viewers for watching this video.